Hello my fellow skit makers, welcome to another live session of mine. On today's program, I am going to teach you how to feature Mr. Macaroni and Brother Shaggy at the same time without paying 1 naira.
Hey, let me talk. Shaggy go pay politicians, then go over jet. All those belongs to our forefathers were, then go jet, but then go in jet, Daku, to what to them, to get revenge your win, then Daku court, then Daku Senate, then Daku House of Rep, and all on the thing, but you're going to Sumone, and I'm gonna walk in, or I'm gonna buy that in it. Let me talk. Oh, to my cancer, 70 billion. Oh, my cancer, wadi. See what the stage con. Oh, my cancer. And it's again, don't 10,000 account. Only cancer. Oh, you book one. Oh, to my COVID-19 one. To my HIV one. To my corona. And you book one that. Oh, you have a teen and you know she.
But still, because you said that I'm trying to educate people how to feature.
You are a bastard. What is the difference between you and them? You are trying to tell them how to feature Macaroni and Shaggy without paying 1 naira. You are a bastard. Macaroni come. Spaghetti.
Idiot. My fish can
no follow mouth.